I mean, feedback that I've received and that we've received through various trials and various installations that we've done throughout the UK already shows that it's welcomed. It's really, really welcomed by everybody. It's a case of the surface needs to be cleaned. It needs to be cleaned. It needs to be actively stopping anything from being transferred on an ongoing basis. How can you do that? Well, unless you're cleaning it every 5 minutes, every 2 minutes, there's no physical way of being able to do that without introducing some sort of advanced protection. And there are lots of options out there. You know, lots of people are selling lots of products. The way that I see the Touchpoint is Touchpoint Shield is different. Is that it provides that longevity, that durability over a long period of time. So the disruption to your general and normal working day is minimised. We're not coming back in on a regular basis to reapply. Once it's applied, and it will stay there. And we can even demonstrate that by the use of laser technology that effectively agitates the cells within the silver ion cells within the product and reflects a light, i.e. no light, no product. If there's a light, then the product is there and it's active and it's working. So there's a very demonstrable way of self-auditing even. You know, your client's regular cleaning team or a client's FM manager may well want to have a laser pen that forms part of a regular audit on a daily or weekly basis that says, yeah, I'm happy that product is still in place and is still active and still working. So it's a self-checking mechanism.